Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums head-to-head, the budget-friendly XIEBro robot vacuum and the premium eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop. Which one will come out on top? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about price. The XIEBro robot vacuum is priced at $269, making it an affordable choice for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, noting that it offers solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with a hefty price tag of $799. While it's a significant investment, many users believe it's worth every penny for its advanced features and high-end performance. When it comes to vacuum and mop functionality, the XIEBro offers a 2-in-1 solution with a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank. Users commend its efficient cleaning routes and ease of use. However, some have noted issues with the mop feature leaking. The eufy X10 Pro Omni, on the other hand, boasts a 3L clean water tank and can mop a large home multiple times. It also self-washes and dries its mop pads, earning high praise from reviewers for its convenience and thoroughness. In terms of suction power, the XIEBro delivers 1,600 pascals, which is sufficient for picking up pet hair and everyday debris. Reviewers find it effective but note that it may struggle with larger messes. The eufy X10 Pro Omni takes suction to the next level with a staggering 8,000 pascals, making it a powerhouse in deep cleaning. Users are impressed by its ability to handle even the toughest dirt and pet hair with ease. Both vacuums come equipped with smart features. The XIEBro includes remote control, Tuya Smart app, and voice control via Google Assistant. Reviewers appreciate the convenience and control these features offer. The eufy X10 Pro Omni, however, goes a step further with AI. See Smart Cleaning, which can identify over 100 different objects, even in low light. Users are particularly impressed by its advanced navigation and obstacle detection capabilities. Obstacle avoidance is a crucial feature for robot vacuums. The XIEBro uses 3D precise obstacle avoidance to navigate around obstacles and avoid getting stuck. Reviewers find it generally reliable, but note some instances where it struggles with certain obstacles. The eufy X10 Pro Omni excels in this category with its iPath laser navigation, creating efficient cleaning routes and avoiding obstacles with precision. Users highlight its ability to navigate complex environments without issues. Battery life is a key consideration. The XIEBro offers up to 100 minutes in quiet mode, 80 minutes in standard, and 60 minutes in max mode. Reviewers find it sufficient for small to medium-sized homes. The eufy X10 Pro Omni doesn't specify exact battery life, but users report that it handles extensive cleaning sessions effortlessly, likely due to its efficient power management and advanced features. Overall, reviewers find the XIEBro robot vacuum to be a great budget-friendly option with solid performance and useful features. However, some have experienced issues with its durability and mop functionality. The eufy X10 Pro Omni receives high praise for its advanced features, powerful suction, and exceptional cleaning capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking top-notch performance. That's a wrap, smart shoppers. Which robot vacuum do you think takes the crown? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product comparisons. Check the description for product links. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart.